Hi everyone, it's Serhat speaking. So I want to take a time to talk to you about my great coach Ed and his team. So I came across Ed's program COA, and what I can say is it's amazing. So I manage multiple businesses. I'm also in digital marketing, and I learned from Ed and his method. So truly speaking, right? So I started with the COA program, and Ed helped me to make an additional sales and build an additional sales channels by only using his program and systems. So I generated over 20K in sales in less than 6 months, learning and applying Ed's strategies. So if you are someone who wants to build something online, who wants to generate sales, get leads, get customers online, then you should join Ed's program. So I'm in digital marketing, so I am learning from Ed, so should you. And beside that, so I was in a call right now with a potential client, and I'm using Ed's strategies in all of my businesses. So you're not learning how to build something online, which is Ed teaching you, but you're learning for your life. You're learning to grow as a person, and you're learning to build a basement about your business. And this is something you can't measure in value, right? So it's an investment for your life. It's an investment that you make for your future, for your business. So if you're serious about building a business, if you are serious about building something online and doing something on your own, then it's a no-brainer. You should join Ed's team and Ed's program COA. So I want to take the time to thank all of his amazing team. So started with Dave, with Eric, with Veronica, with Carla, and of course Ed, my coach and mentor. So what they are doing, this is simply amazing, right? Just the experience to see how these guys are working, it's worth the investment. So get into this environment, get into the right people, get into your surroundings, because who you surround yourself with is defining who you are. So take the time, take the commitment, and do the investment with Ed and his team, and you can't do anything wrong. So it's Serhat speaking here. I wish you all the best, and thanks again, Ed and his amazing team. See you, great guys. So bye bye.